What's up, everybody? I just wanted to go over this document briefly with you. I will be later on creating a video in which I actually go through the content more in detail. This is something specifically for current homeowners, and it might also be interesting to those of you who are considering buying at some point this year. So it's about protecting your investment, a guide for at-risk homeowners. And to be honest, they really are including everyone who has a mortgage currently. The document goes over resources for property owners that are made available by the National Association of Realtors, which I am a member of that organization. They also provide information on repayment plans, loan modifications, and also giving you some insight to prepare to talk to your lender, talking about forbearances and the reinstatement process and what that's going to look like. So when I create the longer video and I actually go over that information, I'll kind of break it down for you what some of your options might be. The document's also suggesting that if you're not satisfied with what your current lender offers you when it's time to reinstate the mortgage, you could go into some sort of a refinancing option. So I'll go over that as well briefly. I do suggest speaking to a lender to get more clarity on the actual loan terms and options available to you with your specific situation. I do want to point out this section though in this video. Watch out for scams and unfavorable loan terms. As you guys know, I'm pretty sure plenty of you have been receiving the Amazon text message, which is a scam that is trying to fish for information. There are people out there who are trying to take advantage of the current situation, but you can beat them just simply with knowledge. For example, if you got the Amazon text message, just don't click the link. But when it comes to mortgages and loan terms, these are some things to keep in mind. I will go into more detail later, as I mentioned. But if it sounds too easy or too good to be true, it probably is. Okay. You also want to look out for large future costs. So, you know, that we always heard about those balloon payment type of mortgages. You definitely do not want to sign up for something like that. Adjustable rate mortgages and other, high risk types of mortgages. Look for barriers to refinancing, such as prepayment penalties, making it hard for you to refinance. So, you want to make sure that you don't have those barriers in the mortgage document. So let's say, for example, if you refinance with a new lender, does it say something in there about prepayment penalties if you try to refinance again in the future? You don't want that kind of a restriction on your options as a borrower. You should be able to refinance that mortgage whenever you feel like it. Okay. Also, if you notice that there's any no down payment loans being advertised, a lot of the time these are going to be split into two mortgages, with one of those having a much higher cost than the other. They're not going to tell you that up front. This is something you have to dig for, which is why I'm offering this information, because it is worth it to own real estate, and it is definitely worth it to, refinance to get lower payments from time to time. You just need somebody to advise you on how to do that properly so that it can advance your situation. Also, you want to look out for unethical document management. In particular, definitely look out for any documents that are not completely filled out before you're being asked to sign it. Do not sign anything that is not completely filled out. I also advise look for if a line is left blank or if there's space left at the end of the document. Make sure that you're downloading or taking a screenshot of your document to show that when you signed it, that space was empty. Just some little things to look out for to protect yourself. Also, we're going to go over in the next video how realtors can help and providing you other resources and information. So once again, when it comes to the more specifics about the loan terms and things like that, you do need to speak to your lender directly. But as your realtor, I am here to kind of guide you and advise you when possible and provide you with any information that is available to me. So I received this information and I want to pass it on to you guys so that it can help you, protect your household and also, grow your household financially into the future. So be sure to check back. If you want an update when that full video is available, drop a comment and I will be sure to give you a heads up when that video is ready. As always, I am here to help you guys with any of your real estate or investment needs. Have a great day.